Hi there! Congratulations on your Biostrap Evo purchase. We are so excited to welcome you to the Biostrap family. While your Biostrap is making its way to your doorstep, let's review how to unbox it and what to expect. Now, in the box, you'll find a black wristband with the sensor already inside. You'll also get a charger block, a 3-foot USB cable, and a quick start guide. If you purchased the Evo Move, you'll also get the activity pod, the shoe clip, and an ankle strap in your box. And finally, if you purchase the Evo Active, you'll receive all of those and an external heart rate monitor. Depending on the option you selected, it will either be the chest strap or the armband. To learn how to get started and dive deeper into how to use each device, how to charge them, and what are some of the amazing Biostrap features, visit our website or YouTube channel for additional information. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, stay resilient, and I'll see you soon.